The Azure Blob Storage Backup is a professional software that allows you to back up Azure Blob Storage accounts in the original hierarchy. The software extracts all the user accounts from the Azure account. Also, you can use search option to find specific accounts. Explore the robust features of this professional Azure Blob Storage Backup software. Backup entire Azure Blob Storage components, including JPGs, PDFs, XLS, doc, PNG, CSV, GIFs, and many more. Retrieve all storage accounts quickly. Extract files and folders from Azure account in a tree-like structure. Preview a specific file's data format, such as JPG, PNG, doc, and many more in the toolbar. Advanced filter feature for specific backup from the Azure account. Save backed up files in the system's local or network drive. Schedule your backup process at a specific time. Generate detailed backup reports in CSV format. Download and install Kernel Cloud Backup. Click on Add Project, enter your preferred name, and click OK. Now, double-click on Azure Blob Storage option. Enter your preferred job name and click OK. In the Azure Blob Storage Connection Details wizard, enter Tenant ID, Client Secret, and Subscription ID. Click Next. The software will retrieve all the folders from the selected Azure account and show a "Please wait while loading directories" message. In the Directories Storage Accounts wizard, you can click on Select All to select all accounts or manually select specific storage accounts. Also, you will get a search option to find specific accounts. In the Select Your Files and Folders wizard, double-click on accounts to expand its files and folders. Select specific files to preview its data type in the toolbar and click Next. In the Filters wizard, you can select from multiple filters. Date filters, select a date range from start date to end date, to extract data between these dates. Note, tick File Modification Date to select modified data according to date range. File filters. It allows you to extract specific files from the database through Exclude File Type and Include File Type. Just input the file extension like doc, XLS, PDF, etc. in Include or Exclude and it will filter it as per feature's name. Set an operation timeout for larger files while downloading. Select a time to extract larger files in the selected time. Version filters. It include 2 versions. Include all versions. It will back up all the versions of the specific files in the backup file. Include most recent versions. Select the version numbers so the software can back up those recent versions and provide specific results. Click Next to proceed with the backup process. In the Destination wizard, click on Browse to select a preferred location to save backed up files. Click on Next. In the Select Schedule wizard, select Execute Immediate to initiate backup process instantly, or Schedule option to select a time to start backup at a specific time accordingly. Click Next. Now click on the project name to view the live backup process in the toolbar. Select your job name and view the live backup process. When the software takes backup then, it shows running status. Once backup is completed, you will get ready status. Click on Backup Report to generate a detailed backup report in CSV format. The software generates 2 detailed reports, where first wizard saves project name or job name report. After that, click Get Details to download second detailed report, where you can download files and folders report in the CSV folder. Click on Save Report to CSV, select a specific location, save backup report, and click Save. To know more about the software, visit the given link on your screen. Have a great day.